Odisha trail accident live news 793 discharged, 382 still in hospital. Palace train accident live death toll has neared 300 and over 800 people have been injured in the triple train collision that occurred on Friday evening. List of train cancelled, diverted after Coromandel Express mishap in Odisha. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced on Saturday that he has ordered a high-level probe into the derailment to accident as unfortunate and the resort operation behind the shortly after the incident was reported in his ministry. The ministry said, a quoted by ANI, the Railway Ministry has announced an ex gratia of rupees 10 lakhs to kin of the deceased, is rupees 2 lakhs to those severely injured, and rupees 5,000 rupees those who sustained with major injuries. That is today shortly live news.